In this video tutorial, you will learn how to use Selenium IDE to record and playback your application according to your test cases. Selenium Master provides few forms for you to test. In order to test the forms, we should have a test cases associated with the form. When you open Selenium Master, go to the practice tests. Under practice tests, you will see several entries here. One is testing form with Selenium. Let's click on this. And this is a URL. The test case is open the URL, enter first name, enter last name, enter phone number, enter email address, select a book from drop-down list, enter operating system, and click on register and verify the registration. Now let's in order to test it, let's open the URL. In order to record and playback the test cases on the application, we need to open up the Selenium IDE. On the Selenium IDE, this is the base URL for the site. So we have a lot of commands provided by Selenium IDE. If you open the command drop-down list, these are the commands you can use. First, let's navigate to the form. The first command is open, and the navigation URL should be the second part of the URL after the base URL. Once we open the URL, we need to test it. Now let's click play current test case. If you look at, now it's navigating to here. So in order to record the process or actions, we need to click on the click to record. So let's move the window to the side. Let's click record and move the mouse cursor under the open command. Let's enter first name A, B, C, D, last name A, B, C, D, email address abcd@abcd.com, phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. From the publications, let's select Selenium IDE. Operating system, currently I'm using Windows 7. We can select Windows Vista or XP, or by default we click on Windows 7 and click on register. Here we have a registration successful. So right click on here, and we have verify text present and assert. Verify is just verify the text is displayed. Assert means it is just confirmation. So let's directly assert text present. Now we already completed the record. Now let's move to the Selenium IDE and I will explain each line. So first line is open. This is open to the URL. Second one is type. you type in first name in the first name text box. The next one is type last name in the last name text box. After that, enter email address in the email text box. Enter phone number and select the operating system. Click and wait ID register button and assert text present. So now let's play this back. Make sure the recorded IDE works according to the test cases. Let's click the open, and on the fast slow, let's make it slow. If it's fast, sometimes it runs very fast, so we cannot see the progress of each action. So click on play current test cases. Now it navigates first name, last name, email, phone, Windows 7 and register. And if you look at the runs 1, and there is no failure. So this means the test case record and playback is successful.